This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. The first batch of stranded people from Assam reached Meghalaya capital Shillong last evening. 3 buses reached Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Polo Ground, which is the designated dropping point, carrying 38 passengers. They were screened and cleared from Barnihart checkpoint before reaching Shillong. On arrival, they were registered and sent to their respective destinations through transportation arranged by the Meghalaya government. All of them will have to undergo home quarantine along with their family members for 14 days. The Manipur government has decided to revise the relaxation guidelines to be implemented in the state during the Lockdown 3. The revised guidelines have come into force since yesterday. The state government has decided to shut down all main markets within the Imphal Valley. Necessary arrangements will be made to strictly implement maintaining social distancing in public areas and public transport, compulsory wearing of mask and following the curfew rules. The Manipur cabinet also decided to accept the NPA demands of state doctors as a special pay and making necessary travelling arrangements for stranded Manipuris. The Manipur government will bear all train expenses for them to reach till any state of Northeast except for red zone districts. It was also decided that the state will provide a sum of 200 rupees per day per head for arriving Manipuris during their stay at quarantine centres. The Tripura government has asked the Inspector General of Tripura Frontier to submit an inquiry report in relation to the sudden outbreak of novel coronavirus in the 138th Battalion of SF in the Ambasa under the Dhalai district. Law Minister Ratanlal Nath told media that the state government has requested the BSF to submit the report with information on the origin of the COVID-19 cases and steps taken to prevent spread among the masses. In the last 4 days, 40 cases of COVID-19 positive, including 2 kids and 1 mess worker, have been detected in the same BSF unit of Tripura Frontier. 1 more person tested positive for COVID-19 in Assam yesterday, taking the total number of cases in the state to 45. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted that the person who tested positive hails from Kachar district. Of the total 45 COVID-19 cases in Assam, 10 are active hospital cases, 1 person died and 34 have been cured and discharged from hospital. Meanwhile, the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has recognized Assam Medical College, Dibrugarh as an accredited laboratory for testing samples for COVID-19. With this, the total number of laboratories in Assam has gone up to 7. Assam Governor Jagdish Mukhi has directed the Health Department to effectively implement contact tracing to contain the spread of coronavirus in the state. Concerted efforts must be made to aggressively implement contact tracing to break the chain of transmission, the governor said. With the relaxation and lockdown restrictions, asymptomatic positive persons may spread the infection to several others before he or she can be detected as COVID-19 positive, he cautioned. He pointed out that the situation in Assam during the next 14 days and beyond will be very crucial due to the eased restrictions. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has constituted a task force to revive the economy of the state post-COVID-19 pandemic situation. The Chief Minister's task force will have 3 committees. The Apex Committee and the Executive Committee will be chaired by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Chief Secretary M.S. Rao said. A 3rd committee, which will consist of working groups to be headed by government officials, will also be constituted. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb launched an online portal scholarships.gov.in under Mukhyamantri Yuva Yoga Yog Yojana at the State Secretariat yesterday. Under the scheme, the state government will provide 5,000 rupees to 14,608 youths who are in the final year in colleges or universities as a grant for smartphones. The submission of online application for the scheme has started and will continue till 6th of June. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.